A lot of you have been asking me questions about taxes when it comes to making money on TikTok Shop. Unfortunately, there are not too many videos on this topic, but since it's something that's very important to understand, I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about TikTok Shop taxes in one video. And feel free to jump around using the timestamps in the description. First, before we go any further, this information is for general guidance, and I'm definitely not a tax professional or a financial advisor. Tax laws and regulations are very complex, and they change more than the latest trends on social media. So for personalized tax advice, you should consult with a qualified tax advisor. Now let's talk about how monetization works with TikTok Shop. There are more than a few ways to make money with TikTok, but there are two main ways with TikTok Shop. As a seller, you're directly selling products to your audience. You can either do this alone or have affiliates do it for you. And as a seller, you probably have inventory somewhere and ship products directly to customers. Affiliates, on the other hand, earn a commission for promoting a seller's products. As an affiliate, you're probably promoting these products in your videos or live streams, and then when someone makes a purchase, you get to keep a percentage of that sale. Before we dive deeper, I want to clarify a few tax concepts that everyone should know. Your gross income is the total amount that you earn before any deductions, and your net income is what remains after expenses. Now, if you don't know when you're actually supposed to file, tax season in the United States typically starts in late January and runs until April 15th. Which is the deadline to file and pay taxes owed for the previous year. And if you're a business owner or if you're self-employed and expect to owe $1,000 or more, you'll need to pay estimated taxes. Estimated taxes are based on what you expect to owe for the year. And those are the payments that you make to the IRS throughout the year to avoid paying a lump sum when you file your taxes. Personally, what I like to do is every time I have money deposited into my bank account, I'll take 25% of it, set it aside, put it in a completely different account, and use that for making my estimated tax payments. Estimated tax payments are usually due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and then January 15th of the following year. Surprisingly, a lot of people are not actually aware of these, but they are very important. You could face penalties and interest on whatever the unpaid amount is. Now, tax responsibilities for TikTok Shop sellers. As a seller, you can expect to deal with income tax, sales tax, and possibly self-employment tax. As a seller, you're required to report 100% of the income that you earn to the IRS. That includes all revenue generated from TikTok, regardless of the amount or the frequency of sales. If you've made over $20,000 from over 200 transactions, you'll be issued a 1099-K, which is a tax form that reports all income from third-party transactions. And tax responsibilities for affiliates are a little bit different because they're based on the commissions that you earn. But if you've gotten payments exceeding $600, you will still be issued a Form 1099-K. So now you know that you'll need a Form 1099-K, but where do you actually find it? So a lot of people wait for TikTok to send these tax forms in the mail, but in my experience, that has never actually happened. You're going to need to download your forms in either the TikTok app or the TikTok Seller Center. And something important to note here is that even if you don't receive these forms, you are still required to report all of your income to the IRS. So to get a hold of your tax forms as a TikTok Shop affiliate, all you need to do is open up TikTok, tap on TikTok Shop, scroll down and then tap earnings. And from here, tap tax information at the bottom. Scroll down and you should see something that looks like this: TikTok Shop 2023 1099-K. And this is going to give you a breakdown of how much money you actually earned on this account as an affiliate. For this one account that I was running, you can see that in November, I made around $59,000 in commissions and around $3,000 in December. And if you're a seller on TikTok Shop, all you need to do is open up the Seller Center app, tap settings on the bottom right, tap tax information, tap check tax forms at the top, slide this over to tax. And I don't sell products on TikTok Shop myself, so I don't have anything here, but if you did, this is where you would find your Form 1099-K. And this actually happened to me with a few of my TikTok accounts. I had about $300,000 in commission that was earned on accounts that were later suspended. TikTok has a dedicated email address for tax help, and I sent countless emails but never received a response. And knowing how bad TikTok support is, this was not a huge surprise. So if this happens to you, don't worry, there are steps that you can take to resolve it while still staying compliant with all tax laws. First thing you need to do is try to get a hold of TikTok. Even if you can't get a hold of them, it's important to document your efforts in case the IRS has questions for you later. Then you'll submit a Schedule C, which is a form that reports all of your income and expenses related to your business activity. But before you do this, you need to look through all of your financial records to get a good idea of what you actually owe. This could be bank statements, PayPal records, or any other kind of documentation that shows how much you earned. And if you'll be receiving your tax forms late, you can file for an extension with the IRS. This is done by submitting a form 4868, which is just an application for an extension, which, if approved, would extend your due date to October 15th. Now let's talk about deductions. Deductions are expenses that you can subtract from your total income, which will reduce the amount of income that's subject to tax. Think of it like a discount that you get on your tax bill for having certain expenses while running your business. If you're self-employed or you own a business, you have the opportunity to deduct or write off certain expenses that are ordinary and necessary for your business. Ordinary just means that it's common in your trade, while necessary implies that it's helpful and appropriate for your business. For example, as a TikTok shop seller, this could be shipping labels, a printer, or office supplies. And as an affiliate, this could be a ring light, a microphone, or products that you ordered to promote in your videos. But in order to actually deduct these expenses, you need to keep records of them. If you're ever audited, having receipts for these things could literally be a lifesaver. And a topic that is overlooked and usually misunderstood is taxes on free samples. As an affiliate, when you receive a free sample product from a seller, you probably think that because it was free, you don't have to pay taxes on it, but it's really not that simple. First, you have to think about the perspective of the seller who is giving these products out for free. If you're a seller giving away products as a part of a promotion or some kind of marketing strategy, the products don't just disappear into thin air. The cost of the items that you're giving away can often be deducted as a business expense. So if you're receiving free items in exchange for providing promotional content, this is seen as a barter or a trade. You're essentially trading your services for goods. And in this case, the fair market value of the item received is considered taxable income. It's like getting paid for a job, but instead of getting cash, you receive products. So whether you're giving away or receiving free sample products, always keep detailed records of the transactions. At this point, you should have a pretty good understanding of how taxes work with TikTok Shop, and I hope that I helped at least one of you stay out of hot water this year. Just remember, staying informed and staying organized is the key to managing your taxes effectively. And as always, if you're an affiliate and want to learn the secrets to getting videos to go viral and generate insane amounts of money, I'll leave something for you in the description. Until next time, good luck.